If you've ever wondered how to make your WordPress homepage look exactly the way you want it to be, today's your lucky day. In this video, I will show you how to set WordPress website homepage look. So the WordPress website homepage look basically looks like the theme that you first selected when you signed up for an account on WordPress. So for mine, this is how it looks like, but you can actually change this. So you can click on this edit site button, which you'll find at the top left of your screen. So after you click on that, you'll be able to edit your WordPress homepage from here. So as you can see, you can set this into different text and you can add more blocks to this canvas. So once you have actually edited it out, you can go ahead and save it. You can also change the page of your homepage by first heading over into settings from your dashboard, and then from here go ahead and head over into the reading tab. So on the reading tab, you'll be able to find your homepage display. So set this to a static page and then set the homepage into the page that you've created as your homepage on the pages section, and then scroll down and click on save changes to save the changes. So once you head back into your dashboard, you'll be able to find that specific page as your homepage on WordPress. And that is how you can basically set WordPress website homepage look. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.